Today, we're diving into a topic that affects everyone: sleep. How many times have you stayed up late, had an early morning, or pulled an all-nighter? You might think it's no big deal, but I'm here to tell you, not getting enough sleep can seriously affect your body in ways you might not even realize. Sleep is like your body's reset button. It's when your body recharges, repairs, and gets ready to tackle the day ahead. So in this video, we're going to break down what actually happens to your body when you don't sleep enough. From your brain to your heart, your skin, your metabolism, and more. Let us dive in and see why you should never underestimate the power of a good night of sleep. 1. The impact on your brain. Let's start with the brain, the control center of your entire body. When you don't get enough sleep, your brain can't work at full capacity. Imagine trying to work on a project with a messy desk. Things just aren't organized, and it's harder to get things done. That's what happens to your brain when you're sleep deprived. Lack of sleep causes your cognitive functions to decline, including memory, attention, and decision-making. Ever try to focus after staying up all night? It's like your brain is in a fog. Sleep is the time when your brain flushes out toxins and consolidates memories, so without it, your ability to think clearly takes a big hit. 2. Emotional roller coaster. Mood swings and stress. Next, let's talk about your mood. Have you ever noticed how irritable you feel after not getting enough sleep? It's like everything bothers you more than usual. Well, that's because lack of sleep increases the production of the stress hormone cortisol, making you feel more anxious and frustrated. Without sleep, your emotional regulation is thrown off balance. It's harder to handle stress, and you may feel moody, irritable, or even more depressed. It's like a pressure cooker. The more sleep deprived you get, the quicker you'll boil over. So, if you want to stay cool and collected, sleep is a non-negotiable. 3. Your immune system takes a hit. Let us talk about the immune system, your body's defense against illness. Sleep is like a recharge for your immune system. When you sleep, your body produces cytokines, proteins that fight infection and inflammation. But when you're sleep deprived, your immune system weakens. It is like trying to defend your house with a broken lock. Your body becomes less equipped to fight off viruses and bacteria. Studies have shown that people who don't get enough sleep are more likely to catch colds or suffer from infections. So, if you don't want to spend your time battling the flu or cold, getting a good night's sleep is essential. 4. The heart, sleep, and cardiovascular health. Now let's talk about something really serious: your heart. Chronic sleep deprivation has been linked to an increased risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, and even stroke. It is like trying to run a car with a clogged exhaust. Your body just can't function properly. When you don't sleep, your blood pressure rises, and your heart has to work harder to keep things running smoothly. Over time, this constant strain can lead to long-term heart problems. So, if you care about your heart health, getting enough sleep isn't just a luxury. It's a necessity. 5. Weight gain and metabolism. Now, let's talk about something we all care about: weight management. If you're sleep deprived, it's much harder to maintain a healthy weight. When you don't sleep enough, your body produces more of the hunger hormone ghrelin and less of the hormone leptin, which tells you when you're full. It's like having your hunger signals completely out of sync. You end up craving unhealthy foods, and even if you eat enough, you never feel quite satisfied. Plus, lack of sleep slows down your metabolism, making it harder for your body to burn calories. So, sleep is a crucial piece in the puzzle of managing your weight and metabolism. 6. Your skin shows the strain. Here is another area where sleep is critical: your skin. When you don't sleep enough, your skin starts to show the damage. You know those dark circles under your eyes? That's just the tip of the iceberg. Sleep is when your skin gets a chance to repair itself and produce collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm and youthful. But without enough sleep, your body's repair processes slow down. You may notice that your skin starts to look dull. You develop wrinkles more easily, and even breakouts may increase. So, if you want glowing skin, sleep is your best friend. 7. Long-term effects of sleep deprivation. So, what happens if you consistently don't get enough sleep? Chronic sleep deprivation has been linked to long-term health issues, including diabetes, heart disease, and early death. Think of it like ignoring your car's warning lights. Eventually, something breaks down. When you don't get enough rest regularly, your body can't function properly in the long run. It affects every system, from your metabolism to your immune system, and even your ability to stay mentally sharp. So, don't wait until it's too late to prioritize sleep. At the end of the day, sleep is one of the most important things you can do for your body. From better brain function and mood to a healthier heart and skin, sleep is a game changer. So, if you've been skimping on sleep lately, it's time to hit the reset button and give your body the rest it deserves. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more health tips. How many hours of sleep do you usually get? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.